Hello guys, welcome back my channel. My channel name is So Easy Excel Course. Today I am talking about all function keys. Before sometimes I made a video for you. This video is used for is functions key. Functions control shortcut keys. Today I am discussed about shortcut keys, how to use shortcut keys with example. If you know all about alt control A, if you have lots of data, you select control A to easily to connect your data in one cell, every cell. If you use this cursor up down, it's waste your time and it's take your lots time. Control B, you know how to do bold. It's all about think how to do bold, unbold. Everyone know about bold. Now next is control C. Control C is data. Control C not only copy paste. Control C is lots of thinking. If your data is made, but you want to hide some rows, columns in your data, you can do and paste another section with this formula, these functions. Control C. You select cells, you select row, control select and hide your cells. Double tap and hides your cells, and alt double scroll, select double scroll and underline your line, underline your data. If you paste, hide your data. If you not do alt and double scroll, your data is not hide. If you want to hide your data, you use alt double scroll. I am right there. First select data. If you hide from function, alt this to hide your function, hide your data. And line came. If you are not using this type, if you hide your data but it's not hide, if you copy paste another place, if your data full visible, anyone see anything about your data. Now next is control D. If you want to drag your data into down, if you write anything word in upper cell, if you want to write in down cell, if you use control C, control it's waste your time lots of. You use control D to easily and down your data, down based basically. Control D to paste upper cell. If you are selecting all cell but it's not work, but one by one row select, you do control D. It's drag down, it's right down, drag right in basically, drag right. Select range, select range and use control R. Left cell copy into right cell. This type to copy your cell in right cell. Drag right, control R, and drag down means control D to use this one. Now it's very important question, or it's very important thing. If you select all cell and write one cell to your name, and control enter to, if you selected 1000 cells, you control enter 1000 cells, paste in your cell, paste cell everything. If you write there once and choose function control enter, every cell fill in once. It's very important question. If you, if company give you more than data and give you make easily files and data sheet for this formula control. And next is flash fill. Names, same, you write only first name Himanshu and Mama and anything Ima, and you select cell all cell and type control F, every cell paste there. It's all about one, because we have, we I write only first name, I give command to write only one first name, then I write last name to use control F, always this. Now we are talking, wait, find first name and last name for control F. Way 1, way 2, first flash fill, second replace control H basically. Names, you copy your data and paste another cell, paste there and make space and write your write star space, sorry, space star, space star. If you first space means when you write space, space data is visible. If you write star data is not visible. And select last name, copy and paste and merge your data first, and you choose your data and control 1, so control H, sorry, star space means star space used for last name. When you their data in any space, space means I tell you about space. If you use space in your front data is visible. If you use last, in your last data is visible. Now I merge your all data, first name and last name. First select your data and cell, first cell and second cell to make your data. Now I write everything first control H star space to last word, space star to first word. Now this is completed. Now next is find. Now this is special key. it's all about special key. Now I am talking about special key. Special key is alt es. If your data have space, but if you want to paste another cell into your space data, you first you select your data and then control C to copy your data first, and use alt es and skip blank. Skip blank means if you where there is any space to paste there this cell, only this. Special key is only work from after control C. If you type only control special key alt s, it's not working. If there data is any space, if you want to delete your space in data, if you want to delete space from your data, now choose a alt A, yeah, and drag down. You go control G and go from blanks and blanks visible and delete only. You go from delete cell, enter. Blank cell is deleted from this side. Now it's your data. Now data is clean from there. Now next is special key about alt es. How to find formula, how to find value, how to find validation, how to find comments in your data. Now I write comments. If you want to write comment in your cell, you go insert and go for comment and add comment your data. And if you want to do validation in your data, validation means if you add something, if you want to add only these things, there is no space. If you want to paste only true false, another cell not paste, you do validation from this. Go from data validation and go from here and add data range. It's my data true false and 1. Now I make data. If you want to paste this, easily to paste this, data validation is on. Now I want to paste value only, and look, only value paste. You go control C and alt s. Or now I want to paste comment and alt s to comment. Now I want to paste a formula, alt s. If you see formula is given there upper, and a value is not given formula. If you want to paste your format validation, you paste it. If you see format is only paste only format in background format, basically true false, it's a validation. Now is control k means make link from this side. I make quiz for this side to this side. If I touch sheet 1, sheet 1 is open. If I touch sheet 9, sheet 9 is open. If I touch this, I go from sheet 9. If I touch sheet 1, I go from this side. And if you want to add something more, you write this. Make dynamic table. It's all about dynamic table. First, I select a data and paste here and make a data. Then I copy and paste another side. Control C and Control V. And I want to make a dynamic for this. It's a manual, but it's dynamic table. Now it's make dynamic. Now find one cell, one name, person, specific information, data will basically filter. Add filter in dynamic. If you want to add filter in manual, you use Control Shift L. Control Shift L to use filter in upper top cell. Now you can use for this null. Now it's all about Control B. It's take 35 sheets. Now it's take 35 sheets. Now I want to paste only 1 2 sheets. I take all sheets down and go from last cell. Then my sheet is only for two paper, but it's very slow. It's very small data. Basically, it's not visible. Good. Quick analyst. Thank you for watching my video. It's all about my video. If you like my video, you can give me a motivation. Thank you for watching my video.